Most people get this wrong when comparing cash advance apps. They assume all of them work the same way, but that is not true. Here's the truth no one tells you. The way you get money, how fast you get it, and what it costs can be completely different between apps like Earnin and FloatMe. In this video, you will learn exactly how Earnin compares to FloatMe in 2026, which one is cheaper, which one is easier to qualify for, and which one actually helps you when you are stuck before payday. Let's get straight into it. Earnin works by letting you access money you already earned from your job before payday. So if Alex worked a full week and already clocked those hours, Earnin allows him to withdraw a portion of that paycheck early. It is not a traditional loan, so there is no standard interest rate, but there may be optional tips or small fees depending on speed and usage. Now, here's where it gets interesting. FloatMe works differently. It is a subscription-based cash advance app that gives small advances to help cover short-term gaps. Instead of focusing on your exact work hours, it uses your banking activity and income patterns to decide eligibility. That makes it more flexible for people with irregular jobs. But here's the problem most users run into. Earnin can be very powerful, but it depends heavily on your employer verification and consistent time tracking. If your job does not integrate properly, your access may be limited or delayed. FloatMe, on the other hand, is easier to access for many users, but the advance amounts are usually smaller, so it may not cover larger emergencies. So how do you choose? If you have a steady job with predictable hours, Earnin usually gives you higher access because it is tied directly to your earnings. That means more money available when you need it. But if your income is inconsistent, or you are freelance, gig-based, or part-time, FloatMe can feel more flexible and easier to qualify for. Now here is a key insight most people miss. Earnin is built around earned wages, while FloatMe is built around financial stability signals. That difference affects everything from approval speed to advance limits. In a minute, think about what matters more to you: higher limits or easier access, because that answer will decide which app fits your situation. Let's break it down clearly. Earnin wins if you want larger advances and you have a stable paycheck system. FloatMe wins if you want easier approval and smaller, quicker cash support without strict employer requirements. But both apps should be used carefully. They are not long-term financial solutions. If you rely on them too often, it usually signals a budgeting issue that needs attention. So here is a final takeaway. Earnin is stronger for higher access tied to your work hours. FloatMe is stronger for flexibility and simple access for smaller amounts. Choose Earnin for power. Choose FloatMe for convenience. If this helps you understand the difference clearly, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of cash advance apps in 2026.